As construction continues on the new Alter Hall building, students and faculty are looking forward to a fresh new place to learn and grow that is also Xavier's most sustainable project to date.
So several years ago, Xavier University embarked on a journey to revitalize Alter Hall. As part of that transformation, the university also committed to making an example of sustainability on campus.
The Alter Hall renovation team that worked with the architects and the engineers on the building design was very interested in making sure that that Alter Hall is the greenest building we can possibly build, so that when students enter the building and work in the classrooms and learn in the classrooms, that there will be the capacity to reduce our footprint as we teach and as we learn.
At the heart of Xavier University's sustainability initiatives, the renovation of Alter Hall marks the full integration of sustainability into life on campus and in the classroom.
The sustainability of a building is not about any single item or single system, but it's about how all the pieces really work together.
Many of the features of the building are in terms of lower energy use, lower water use, use of native plants, things like that.
Some of those systems are LED lighting across the entire facility. This is something that very few buildings can claim. We've got several controls in daylight harvesting that allows each one of the control within the classroom to be adjusted up and down based on the amount of light coming in the window and based on the amount of light that's needed.
One of the things we do from a mechanical standpoint is to bring more outside air into the building. It helps flush the building out and keeps the spaces fresher and keeps a lot more of the indoor toxins from people coughing and breathing, and keeps the air fresh for the occupants.
The outside of the building will feature a rain garden and a bog garden that a number of science professors are interested in using in their classes.
Providing individualized controls in classrooms, allowing operable windows, opening and closing of shades. All of these things will allow those people that are using the building and using the classrooms to have better control over their space, and with better control over their space, we'll be able to use that building in the most sustainable way long into the future.
One of the main goals of the new Alter Hall is that it is projected to use half of the energy of Xavier's newest buildings, a feat that cannot be solely reached on its own.
We also have to remember that it's not just the systems. The architects, the engineers, the designers really have a limited function, because once the building is constructed, we're out of the picture, and it's up to those individuals that are going to remain on campus to really engage with the building and to maintain that effort of sustainability throughout the longevity of the structure.
We are going to need students to work with us, because you will be in the building when we're not. So we will need to work together, students, faculty, and staff, to achieve the really aggressive energy and water targets that the building is capable, but it will only meet them if we all are invested together in that.
For Xavier News, this is Brian DiNatale.